So in this video, I'm going to talk about the market in FIFA Mobile 22. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So we obviously got the Team of the Tournament event right now where we can get a couple of Team of the Tournament players for free, at least two. We can get at least two for free, which means Team of the Tournament players have been going down a lot in price. Like there are different prices, of course, for them. Someone like Messi is 80 to 85 mil, but someone like Hernandez 35 mil, and also Bruno Fernandes or Amrabat are 21 million coins and still going down, as you can see. So this right now is right time to buy these players. If you want them for a team, I think it's the right time to buy them. If you want to invest in some of these cards, then I think you should observe the market for 1 or 2 more days and see if their prices go down. But I don't think their prices are going to go down that much more. Obviously, there are different regions, which means there are different markets, and prices in your market might be different. But these are my market prices. Amrabat is 22 mil, is the cheapest Team of the Tournament player for me, and I'm not gonna buy him right now because he's gonna go down even more. As you can see, people are trying to sell him. No one is trying to buy them. But someone like Bruno Fernandes for 25 mil, people are trying to buy him now. Gakpo as well. We got Stones. All these players now have got red listings, which means people are now trying to buy them. I have got Theo Hernandez in my team. I do want to get Messi and Mbappe, both of them in my team. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna do a big team upgrade very, very soon as well. But also I'm gonna invest some of these coins. I'm not gonna buy these players right exactly now, but in a couple of days, in 1 or 2 days, and I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna invest most of my coins in this, and I think their prices are gonna go up. Obviously, it's not gonna go up like next week or something like that, but it's gonna steadily increase after the Team of the Tournament event is gone. So definitely, it's the right time to buy these players. If you want them for your team, you should buy them right now. Messi, for example, is 85 mil. You can get him for 85 mil. You can't get him for any cheaper than that. Mbappe, 65 mil. This one, yep, similar price, 65 mil. Obviously, we got 2 versions of Messi, 2 versions of Mbappe, and 2 versions of Emiliano Martinez as well, because the EA messed it up and they included giveaway version of these cards in the game as well. So they messed that one up. But yeah, the most expensive one is Messi. Other than that, we've got Mbappe, who is 60 mil. Modric is quite expensive as well at 50 mil. And same thing with Bellingham. They are almost the same price, 50 mil for Bellingham as well. Hakimi is 44 mil. He's gonna go down a little bit more probably. But Richarlison, Julian Alvarez is less expensive than Richarlison, which I'm very, very surprised about, because I think Julian Alvarez has got a little bit better card, but that doesn't really mean that much. If I wanted to, I think I can get a full 11 Team of the Tournament player team right now. I'm not gonna buy 11 players, so I'll go Bruno Fernandes. I do really want to sell Bruno Fernandes. Unfortunately, he's 25 mil right now. I'm gonna try to sell him for as much as possible, and after selling him, I'm gonna get Messi, Mbappe, maybe someone like Modric as well, Bellingham. I do want to get a couple of Team of the Tournament players, first for my team, of course, but also they're gonna be kind of investment for me. So if you're trying to think if you should buy Team of the Tournament players now or no, it's the right time to buy. These couple of days you should be buying them. Also, the other World Cup players, 106s, 105s, 104s, they have decreased in price a little bit because we've had weekend ranking rewards. Obviously, Martinez has decreased a bit. Davies, as you can see, has decreased, is now 11 million coins. Most of these cards have decreased because, as I said, we had weekend ranking rewards, and people are trying to sell those cards when they pack them. Son is 27 mil right now. You can obviously get some of these cards for decent price as well, but when you can get Gakpo for 26 mil, you don't really need to get Son, right, or something like that for 106 for 26 million coins, 106 overalls. But yeah, center backs, Thiago Silva is 32 mil, Guardiola is 35. They are almost the same price, the center backs. We've got Griezmann, who is 35 million coins as well. It won't be bad to get like 4-4-2 formation and get Gakpo and Bruno Fernandes because they're quite cheap. But I just want to get Messi and Mbappe in my team, and I think those 2 cards are gonna increase a lot. I think all of these Team of the Tournaments are gonna increase, I can't lie, but Mbappe and Messi are probably the two of the best ones to invest in. We've got the lower overall players, as I said. All of these cards went down in price. I wouldn't really invest in those right now, though. I wouldn't really invest. I think they're gonna go up quite a bit, but yeah, if you want to, if you want to take a risk, you can invest in those cards as well. Mostly 104, 105, 106s. I wouldn't go any lower than that. I wouldn't go like 103 or lower overall than that. But yeah, these cards are very, very nice. Obviously, I've got a terrible team right now. As I said, the team upgrade is coming out very, very soon. I'm gonna sell Bruno Fernandes probably, or maybe keep him as well. Why not? Because he's only 25 mil. It's not that much anyways. I'm gonna keep him for the bench maybe, or I might start some games with him at cam in head to head. But I'm gonna get Mbappe, Messi. I've got Hernandez. I'm not gonna sell Hernandez. I'm gonna get a couple of decent midfielders as well, and maybe Emiliano Martinez in goal. And center backs, probably I'm gonna get Stones and Guardiola. I'm gonna have a very, very nice team very, very soon. So it's gonna be quite exciting. Let me know what your team overall is right now. Are you upgrading your team? Have you already upgraded? How many team on the tournament players have you got, and all that? Let me go ahead and open some of the packs now to end the video, and we got all the silver and gold plus player packs. So let me go ahead and open this. Let's see if you're gonna get someone great. We got 2 golds from 560 pluses, so that's not bad. Let's see how many golds we're gonna get from this. Still silvers, 15 silver pluses, and we got less golds, or no, less golds. Yeah, I think we got less golds than from 5 silver pluses. Anyways, now 5 gold pluses from here. Obviously, we can get some elites, 74 and 74 Richard still. 1570 pluses then. Surely we're gonna get at least 1 elite from this one, right? 72 still, 75, still 75. Minamino, he used to play for Liverpool, I think. We have 76 overall, Torres, 76 overall, and finally an elite, 83 overall, Gabriel Jesus right now. Okay, let's see if I can open a couple of bonus prizes packs to end the video. I need to claim this, okay? Don't forget to claim stadiums, of course. You're gonna miss out on a lot of gems and a lot of reward points and all that. And don't forget to spend all your reward points in the event as well. Let me go ahead and open this pack as well. 3 silver pluses from here. We got 1 gold. Sitting is obviously skill boost, which I'll take. 30 skill boost is not the best, but it's not bad as well. It adds up at the end, of course. Right, bonus prizes I can open. I'm gonna open 2 of these, 3 at a time. Right, I'm gonna open this. 300 points spent. We got 1500 gems. I'll take that actually because I can't reset because I need to get skill boost still. So let's go ahead and try to get skill boost, a lot of skill boost. Is that okay? We can reset now, I guess. We can reset now. But I'm not gonna be able to pack that 90 plus overall player for this video. As I said, don't forget to spend your reward points. Don't forget to play the event and do all that. I can get Joao Cancelo right now, and probably Sommer as well. But can I get Eusebio? I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to get Eusebio before the end of the event. I have missed a lot of days, but hopefully I will be able to. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.